So I'm studying the way in which a specific class of drugs called ruthenium polypyridines, I'm studying the way they interact with DNA. We use machines such as this X-ray diffractometer here, or we can use larger synchrotron sources that we use in places like Oxford, the diamond light source. And what we do is we shine a beam of X-rays at our crystal, and our crystalline material has repeating patterns of the same thing at an atomic level. And when an X-ray hits a crystal, what happens is the X-rays are diffracted off of the crystal, and what we get at the end is a model of our DNA and our drug. Such purposes include fluorescent markers for unhealthy cells, which can be used in surgery, or as direct chemotherapeutics, so drugs which directly kill cancerous or tumorous cells. So the graduate school have been there from the beginning, making sure that you develop personally as a young researcher throughout your PhD. Specifically, what they did for me is they got me in touch with the right people that I needed if I ever needed help. For example, some of the courses that I went on was preparing to teach, and also puts me in good stead after my PhD if I move in somewhere else, showing that I can teach and I have all those skills. So there's lots of courses that they've put on that have been very useful. One of the biggest highlights for me was being awarded a fellowship by the JSPS and British Council, which allowed me to travel to Japan for 3 months and conduct research in a Japanese laboratory. Obviously living in Japan was a fantastic experience. What I would say is take every opportunity you can, even if it's in a field that is not completely applicable to what you're doing on a day-to-day basis. For example, one of the opportunities I took was to build a mock company up with other students from across the university, from all different fields, to fund a product that we developed for the diagnosis of endometriosis, which affects lots of women. And we went through to the national finals with this idea. We got to present at the Royal Society of London. To build up that context for your work was really important, and it really makes you see your own research in a different light. You're constantly thinking about how you can make a product out of your work, how you can make something that will make money or help lives. Within 5 years' time, I'd like to be heading my own research group. I'd like to be doing similar things but being independent from the people who have taught me how to be a young researcher.